Hello children, today we are going to learn different topic. Yes, it is word art. We are not just going to write the words, we are going to decorate it in different way. So let's start to do the activity. Children, word art activity, we are going to use one A4 size or A3 size drawing sheet, pencil, eraser, black color marker, or if you don't have marker you can use the sketch pen also, and color pencils. If you don't have color pencil, color sketch pen or brush pen will be okay. Why I have used this? Because we are going to do the detailing and there are very small parts. So if you will use oil pastel instead of color pencil or sketch pens, it will be difficult for you. Children, first you have to draw the border to your page with the help of scale, or without scale also you can do. Nowadays everyone is learning virtual classes. So our today's topic is word art. In this we are using the word is online. Let's start to do the word art. First you have to remember this letters, this word you are going to write in the middle of the page. First we have to write it with the pencil, the regular letters O, N, L, I, N, E. Regularly how we are writing it. Then step by step to each letter we are going to decorate it. Directly if you want you can do with the sketch pen also, but if you are not comfortable you can do the detailing with the help of pencil first, then do the border with black sketch pen. Let's start to do the detailing. Step by step with each word we are going to add some magic. Instead of boy you can show the girl face also. We have shown the microphone. Yes, it's a mouse for N. Children, it is not necessary which object or which things I am using, you have to use the same. You can use your own creativity and you can add anything which you are feeling that it's related to the technology and online. For L, I have shown the mic where we are using this in MS Teams to mute and unmute ourselves. Then for I have shown the Wi-Fi. Let's go to the N. Let's do the detailing of N. Let's draw the detailing of E. Here we are showing the hat of the achievement, hat for the efforts. Okay, now see, after finishing it will look like this. We have first written the letters online, then step by step we have done the detailing to each and every object. First, where we require the detailing with the black sketch pen, there we will give, and then we will start to color with the color pencils. For mic also we required. Here we are using cross hatching technique. And then we will use this black in USB cable to give the shade and light effect. Here also we are showing shade and light effect. Children, now you realize why I told you not to use oil pastels, because there are so many small parts. Let's do the coloring of mouse. Children, you have to remember for first object which side you have kept the light. Other object also you have to keep the light at the same place. You can use any color of your choice. As we have given the black color for the cable, we will just add one color in that. Now let's do the E. Randomly you have to do the shading. It is not compulsory. How I am doing, in the same way you have to do. Children, you can give the background color also, but remember that should be very light. Beside the object, you can do the shading with any color which you have not used in the letters. Again, I have added yellow color to give the bright effect to the background. Different colors you can use, children, to color the background as well as object. After finishing the coloring and the background detailing, the picture will look like this. Children, enjoy this activity. Use your own creativity. You can do any changes if you require. It is not compulsory to do the same. Thank you.